Morning! Welcome back to freezing cold Norway.
I think however we introduce the vlog is how we feel. Because I'm like, morning guys.
Like a smoker.
I'm so tired though, and like, it's really taking its toll on me now, getting out of like a nice warm bed and coming out into the snow, and I'm just freezing. The scarf, like, this isn't over the top, okay? This is warm.
It's -2 this morning. So yeah, so we spent the night on the boat last night, which was really cool, but it's frustrating because we always, you know, we see these really cool places and we're sort of in, and then we're out the next morning because we've got an activity.
Time. Yeah.
So it was really cool. So
Honestly,
thanks for having us, guys.
I know, I want it. I would love it. Like, whenever we go to a place like that, it really inspires me to like want to build a house, but a really different house. Whether or not it'll happen, please pledge to our patron for a new house for King in it. Yay!
We want a boathouse.
You can all come and stay then. How's about that?
Be generous. This morning it's actually incredible. This is the clearest day we've had. You can see the whole city from the hill that we park on.
Yeah, so we've got like
amazing.
3 days left, and from here on out the weather's supposed to be insane. Today, Craig, what are we doing?
Well, today we're attempting what we attempted the other day, which is going on a UTV to the camp where the Sami live, meeting some reindeer and sleeping in a Lavvu, which is like a traditional Norwegian teepee style house.
Oh mate, I can't wait. It's going to be a great day. It's like full on day today. I just hope in the middle, after I've met the reindeers and they've loved me and we've become best friends for life, I'll get their address, we can be pen pals, and then I want a nap. How was about that?
Sounds like a plan to me. I'm in.
Oh no, we're actually doing a
oh yeah,
Arctic sailing
boat
tour tonight.
Boat
Boat tour tonight, lads. So bring the beers.
Arctic sailing, like.
So like, it's supposed to be such a good night tonight, really clear.
Watch, is
fingers
it like a
crossed.
sheet of, we gotta be careful now because there's like sheets of ice everywhere.
Fingers crossed we can see the aurora. I'm on the Jon Snow, it's fine.
Jon Snow. Look how clear, look how beautiful it is. Get out the way.
Here's our guides, looking slicker than Rick. Good morning!
Morning.
Okay, nice to see you again.
Great, nice to meet you.
Okay. Hiya Amy, nice to meet you.
Reindeers will see you coming, won't they? Jesus.
Hope I don't blind them. That is some backdrop to be getting dressed in, Craig.
I feel like an electrician. So we've been picked up by John and Michael, and they've just brought us to a spot where Michael's uncle feeds the wild reindeer. So they're just like, they know he's coming. We missed it because we were too late, but they all come from the forest and he just feeds them their food, and they're just everywhere. It's so cool.
They're a little bit afraid of us though, aren't they? But they're just the coolest things ever.
You gonna taste it, Aim?
I'm not going to taste it, no.
Not that bad.
Really?
Really?
No.
I won't swallow it though.
I'll just throw it There's a car by there. So I thought we were pulling over because they'd broken down, and he was like, reindeer, and I was like, shut up! They're just amazing. I've never seen anything like them. I'm just running back to the car now to get a different camera, but bucket list has been ticked off. I haven't touched one yet though, because these are wild. The guys were like, you better not touch them just in case. But when we get to the camp, I'm going to be able to kiss them.
So cool when we like meet these local people. They take us round and they show us all these secret spots, and it's just something that you just can't pay for. It's just so lucky, and this spot is outrageous. It's like eagles flying about, snow. The sun's actually almost visible over there in the back. Like, look at that backdrop. Crazy scenes. What a place. Captain B loving it. You're in heaven, Aim.
They're amazing. Just like their horns and everything. Did you know that the males lose their horns? What are you doing?
I'm getting them in the back.
Every year, and then they grow them back. I've got so many questions, Craig.
Yeah, it's so nice. Drive now to the actual camp.
I think it's only about 40 minutes.
Okay, 40 minutes. So cool. I just figured out that, well, the guys just told me that Sami people are actually completely separate from Norwegian people.
Yeah, they've got their own language and everything.
Crazy. But back in the UTV now.
Hey boys.
That's so cool. We have arrived.
So we've just pulled up in the middle of nowhere, really. Just look at it, this is their camp. How insane is that? Absolutely incredible. I can see the reindeers from here. Come on! Look at you! Hello! Are you happy to see us? Yes! Hello! Look at you! Hello!
Around 12 years old.
Wow! My goodness! You are the prettiest thing I've ever seen!
White reindeer are more rare than normal black.
Yeah,
But it's not an albino gene or anything.
yeah. So we're in the Lavvu now. We're getting a bit warmer now. We've just said hello to some of the reindeers, well, if they weren't running away from us.
This is the Lavvu, fire cooking. It's like a traditional Sami Lavvu.
Yeah, love it.
So cool.
Because the people originated from all over the place actually. And during the Ice Age it was really easy to cross continents.
Check you out, you little Lavvu babes.
Do I look like a Sami person?
Yeah, you look like Sammy Evans.
Welcome to my home.
It's big, isn't it?
Real traditional. We've got it all going on. Traditional Sami people use a lot of reindeer fur because that is their culture, isn't it? That's what they do. They're reindeer people. That's their livelihood. So everything they do is to do with reindeers. Not keen on that part, but anything else, I'm with you. I'll feed them, I'll bath them, I'll do their toenails. If I was to buy one, she'd be like a sister to me. She'd come home with me, I'd do her nails, we'd go out together. We'd be great friends. I know we would, Esmeralda and me. So this is it, yeah, we've got your little gas lanterns going on and there's some food in the box. There's
Esmeralda.
a kettle. We've got our warm sleeping bags, but obviously the oven's really warm as well. So yeah, it's gonna be like a, because you can feel the elements and you can hear them outside. And this is also a camp where you can see the aurora. But I'm I might not see it right now because
I'm going on
I
my
did have
own.
some coke, so I'm on a bit of a high, a bit of a sugar rush, but I am actually really tired. But we're doing the Aurora camp tomorrow night, so fingers crossed she comes out for us then.
Aurora didn't like you, she told me. Such a cool day. Like, learn all about the Sami people. They're like the indigenous people of Norway, and they're like up against it. And Mikael's family are like making a stand, and they're trying to take a whole bunch of stuff to the High Court. There's a lot of politics, but basically, I think the Norwegian government are trying to worm out the Sami people.
Basically, they're good people.
Yeah.
And they're getting taken advantage of.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. So they're standing up. So good for them.
Yeah.
But it's really cool to see how they live, and you know, they raise the reindeer and stuff, and super nice guys. So thanks Mikael and John for looking after us, absolute legends. And we're gonna just sleep in the wild like feral kids.
I hope nothing scratches the side of the tent now because I will freak. You can't really see it. Oh no, you can a little bit. That's the back of the oven. So if y'all want pizza, you know where to come.
So that's it for today's vlog. So if you're brand spanking new and you've loved this video, give it a thumbs up, press subscribe, press the bell, send us an email, follow us on Instagram, follow us on
This is
Twitter.
really heavy camera.
Have a great day.
And if you're not new then guys, thanks a bunch for watching. If we don't ever see you again, a bear has gotten us in the Lavvu tent.
Can you imagine?
But yeah, as Craig said, please subscribe because we need more subscribers. And always remember, rule your own world.
1, 2, 3, fight!